All right, it's Western cake time. We are gonna do a pretty easy Western style cake. We're gonna use a lot of, we're gonna use some silicone molds, and we're gonna use chocolate candy molds, okay? So these are available online. The candy molds, you can either get at your local cake shop or just look them up online. There's several different companies that you can get them from. The silicone molds that we're going to be using, I've got this white one. I can't remember who this was from, but the blue ones are from First Impressions molds. Again, available online. Love their molds. They're really good. Okay, so ahead of time, what I did is I just took white coating chocolate, melted it down, and I went ahead and I made some of the big horseshoes here. There's a little cowboy hat. Probably going to end up being way too small, but I made it anyway. And then on the squirrels thing, I actually like this horseshoe a little bit better because it had a nicer design on it. So I went ahead and made that. So these are some of the things right here. And then I also had the huge boot mold. And what I did is I didn't completely fill it. You can see it's not completely filled. So I have that. And then I used the chocolate also in this silicone mold. But then in this one and the barrel, I just put white rolled fondant in there to make this and this. So you just push the fondant in there, pop it in the freezer for a bit, and then pop it out. Okay? Very easy to use. Now for the fence, we're going to do some chocolate fences. So I have dark chocolate coating chocolate in here. And I've done some of these ahead of time because I need to flip them over and do something else. But let me show you here. So let me pour some of this in the bag. Hold that down, cut off the end. Make sure the end doesn't go back in the chocolate. Okay, and you just take this and you just want to go across. And then down. And then want to go across this way. Okay? Then for these that I've already done, what I want to do is flip them over. And then I could do the other side. I mean, it's not always necessary to do the other side. Depends if you want it back to them or not. And if you want to make them stronger or not. Okay, so then we'll let those sit for a little bit and come back.